First, you need to pour the ingredients in. Three spoons of sugar. Then we pour the water.
Oh, what's the next steps, guys? You need to stir it.
Yes.
Okay, so whose idea? Who wants to make this churros, by the way?
Jennifer.
Oh, Jennifer?
Spoon of flour.
Where do you know this recipe from?
TikTok.
On TikTok.
TikTok.
That's cool.
Because
Is it easy?
yeah, not too easy.
Which part do you think the hardest part to make in this kind of process?
Mix the egg to the dough.
All right, that's yes, I can see that. Okay, what's next, Keyna?
Pour the oil.
Put the dough in the pan.